Welcome to this new section where we'll tackle various creative image effects. We'll do all sorts of things that will either improve our photos or add a certain flair to them. For example, who doesn't want bright white teeth? Well, I'll show you how you can do that in Photoshop in just a few minutes. I'll also teach you how to play around with the liquify filter and adjust your facial features. This is all done in good fun just so you can see how you'd look if you had bigger eyes, for example. This technique is also helpful when you want to add a smile to a person's face. Sometimes, especially in group photos, it's hard to capture that perfect moment where everybody is happy and paying attention. That lesson will help you get out of a jam. You'll also pick up how to make an image look like it's been miniaturized. This is called tilt shift, and I absolutely love it. From real cars and real people to something that resembles a board game made out of plastic toys. I'll teach you how to add creative glowing lines. This is quite popular on Facebook nowadays, and I'll show you how you can get the same style with ease. Overall, I have a lot of techniques in this section that are bound to spice up your images. Let's get to it.